Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you need to do a hard reset on a Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE and you are locked out because the lock screen is on and you don't have the pin code. So we can actually bypass that pin code and wipe the entire tablet, but this will actually wipe everything, the contacts, the photos, all that kind of stuff, but it will bypass the passcode. So first thing you need to do is make sure you have your tablet plugged in and turned off. So if it's not turned off, you can just force turn it off by holding the power button and the volume down button. And as soon as it turns off, we want to switch from the volume down to the volume up. So we're going to hold the power button and the volume up button until it turns back on, till we see the Samsung Galaxy screen. As soon as we do that, we can let go and it will open up this recovery menu. Then using the volume buttons, we can toggle down to the wipe data factory reset option and hit the power key to select it. And that will take us to this confirmation screen where we can toggle down to factory data reset. And then again, hit the power button to confirm that, keeping in mind that as soon as you hit the power button here, it will wipe everything off the tablet and it will be like a brand new tablet that you never touched. So if you do that, then it'll go through its wiping cycle, at which point then you can select to reboot it and it will turn off and then turn back on as it did when it came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.